Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you an easy sour and spicy potato salad recipe. Let's get started. We will be using 3 potatoes. Peel and remove the skins. Cut the potatoes into thin strips. I figured that using the julienne peeler to shred the potatoes is way easier than with the knife. Soak the shredded potatoes in the water, add 4 tablespoons vinegar, set it aside for 10 minutes. On low heat, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil, sage, peppercorn, and garlic. Sauté until the fragrance comes out. Switch back to high heat, add in the shredded potatoes, give it a good stir. Add in 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons salt. If you don't like it very sour, feel free to reduce the vinegar amount. Stir fry constantly until the potatoes turn a little bit transparent. Lastly, add in red jalapeno and some green onions for garnishing. The dish is done. This potato salad is an amazing appetizer that is both spicy and sour. The texture of the potatoes is crunchy because they have been soaked in vinegar water to remove the starch. This dish is perfect for anyone who loves spicy and enjoys a little bit of sourness in their food. This is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week. Bye!